Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, anyone who flies drones, especially smaller ones like the DJI Mavic Mini, knows that accidents can happen. It's almost inevitable that at some point, a propeller might clip something or a landing might be a little rougher than intended. And sometimes, unfortunately, that can lead to damage to the drone's arms. When an arm is damaged, particularly one that houses a motor, it's not just a cosmetic issue. It can render the drone unflyable or severely impact its stability and safety in the air. That's where replacement parts like this one come in. What we're looking at here is a replacement motor arm specifically for the DJI Mavic Mini drone. This particular part is the front left arm. It's a crucial component because it's not just a piece of plastic. It contains the motor, wiring, and often the LED light for that corner of the drone. Replacing a damaged arm is a common repair needed to get a crashed or broken Mavic Mini back into the sky. For someone undertaking this repair, having the correct arm is the absolute first step. You can't just use any arm. It has to be the specific one for the position that's broken, in this case, the front left. The process of replacing a motor arm on a drone like the Mavic Mini isn't always straightforward. It typically involves disassembling part of the drone shell, carefully disconnecting and reconnecting delicate wires, and ensuring all screws are put back in the correct places. Precision is key. The replacement arm needs to fit perfectly, aligning with the screw holes and allowing the motor wires to be routed correctly back to the main board. A good replacement part should feel sturdy, match the original in terms of dimensions and weight as closely as possible, and have the motor pre-installed and wired correctly, ready for connection inside the drone body. Using a high-quality replacement part is vital for the drone's performance and safety after the repair. An ill-fitting or poorly made arm could affect the drone's balance, introduce vibrations, or even fail during flight, leading to another crash. For someone who has invested in a drone like the Mavic Mini, being able to repair it rather than having to buy a whole new one is a significant advantage and can save a lot of money. This type of repair part offers that possibility. It allows a user to target the specific point of failure and potentially restore the drone to full working order. However, it's important to note that this kind of repair requires patience, a steady hand, and some technical aptitude. If someone isn't comfortable working with small electronics and delicate wires, it might be better to seek professional repair services. But for those who are willing to tackle it, having access to the correct replacement arm, like this front left one for the Mavic Mini, is essential. It's the piece that literally holds one of the motors and allows that corner of the drone to lift and maneuver. Getting the drone back in the air after a crash using a replacement part like this can be a very rewarding experience. It's about bringing a valuable piece of equipment back to life.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.